Taiwan's health minister has revealed that two words scuppered a deal for millions of COVID-19 vaccines with Germany's BioNTech. Chen Shih-Chung says the company requested Taiwan to drop the words "our country" from a joint press release set for January the 8th. He said his government agreed to change the wording to just Taiwan the same day. But a week later, BioNTech put the agreement on hold due to a court re-evaluation of global vaccine supply and adjusted timelines. Now, this explanation comes a day after President Tsai Ing-wen directly accused China of blocking Taiwan's deal with BioNTech. In response to her statement, BioNTech told DW News Asia, "We do not provide information on any potential or possible distribution of our vaccine. Our goal at BioNTech is to make the vaccine available to as many people worldwide as possible." Meanwhile, only about 1% of Taiwan's population has received a vaccination, and there's a growing sense of alarm as the island faces its biggest COVID-19 outbreak yet, after months of keeping the pandemic well under control. The government has ordered a lockdown to curb infections. It's something that many on the island thought they would never see, as DW's Joyce Lee reports.
Stuck at home for the first time, the Yap siblings are still adapting to online learning as schools in Taiwan shut down for the first time since the start of the pandemic.
I can't take it. I've been stuck at home since last Monday. It's been a week. I'm so bored. Online learning is doing all the things I did at school at home. I feel lazy because there's no one to push me. I miss my classmates. Now I only spend time with my family.
Their mother is also struggling, navigating what it means to be a parent, a teacher, and working from home at the same time. She says it has never crossed her mind that this day would come.
It's a disaster. In the past year, we watched international news and saw people working from home because of a lockdown. I thought it was funny and unrelated to my life. But now, it's happening to us.
After more than a year of relative safety, Taiwan is battling its first major domestic outbreak, reporting hundreds of local cases daily. It's believed that airline pilots brought the UK variant to the island last month after quarantine was shortened to just 3 days for crew members. The spread was then accelerated through a network of tea houses in Taipei's red light district. The authorities have declared a nationwide Level 3 alert, meaning a soft lockdown. Public events are called off, many shops are closed, and restaurants can only do takeout. The shopping district in Taipei is virtually a ghost town, while dozens of people queue up for COVID tests at various sites. Hospitals in Greater Taipei are running out of beds. Patients will now be sent to other parts of Taiwan for treatment. The authorities have also taken up several hotels to accommodate those with light or no symptoms. So far, Taiwan has only vaccinated around 1% of its 24 million people. Most Taiwanese have been vaccine hesitant before the local outbreak. And how about now?
I was afraid of the side effects, but now that there's a community outbreak, I want to get a shot. I want to get vaccinated because vaccines are the most fundamental solution to control the pandemic, but we're having a vaccine shortage.
I don't want to get vaccinated for the time being because the virus mutates too quickly. It may not be effective after 2 months.
10 million doses of vaccines will arrive by August, but until then, the island is likely to remain under soft lockdown. The Yap family has stocked their fridge. They say they're ready for a long battle, a battle that was avoidable.
Taiwan had a whole year to prepare for this. Seeing what happened in other countries, we should have been alert, but we didn't bother. The government didn't take it seriously when all the countries were fighting to get vaccines. Taiwan didn't do much, just sat there and waited for our own vaccines. So now the vaccines aren't coming soon enough. We can only fight the battle in a passive way by staying home.
Do not be complacent in the face of a pandemic. It's a lesson learned for Taiwanese.